mushrooms and this fish. So we're just gonna see how it tastes. This is a little. Okay.
Eat it together.
Eat it together.
Yeah, potato.
She's saying eating it together. I'm scared. With the eggs too.
You know.
Okay. I'm gonna put a little mushroom in there, even though I don't really like mushroom. 3, 2, 1. That's pretty good. It's not bad. It's not bad.
Told you.
It's not bad. I'm not sorry.
Wouldn't just a bit of talk, pack up.
It's good.
Told you. Mommy got skills.
It is pretty good. I'm gonna rate this a 9.5 out of 10. So Mom has gotten the Gordon Ramsay rating. So thank you guys. I'll see you guys next time.